Hey stampers, hey soapers, hey friends, this is Deborah, and today we are going to do a very quick tutorial on a Father's Day card. Real cute card, and I like doing 3x3 cards because I make gift bags and I like putting 3x3 cards in my gift bag. So we're going to go ahead and get started. You guys know I am very time sensitive. Don't want to keep you too long. The supplies that we're using today are going to come from the Occasions catalog. We are using the Truly Tailored bundle. In that bundle, you got the Truly Tailored stamp set and the Truly Tailored or Tailored Tag punch. So I'm going to also use the True Gentleman Designer Series paper, as well as the, what am I looking for? True Gentleman buttons right here. So let's go ahead and jump right on into this. I'm going to do just a little bit of stamping and some punching with you today, hopefully, depending on time. So again, 3x3 cardstock, the cardstock of your choice. And then I am only doing one layer, so my top layer card is going to be, I want to say like 2x13 something. Top layer 2, 13, 16, or you can just do 2 and 7/8 by the same 2 and 7/8 on both sides. So after that, we're going to go ahead and put this down. That way. I think I want it this way. Okay. And we are using scrap paper. So I think I wanted to use the dad since I use the other stamps in this set. I'm going to use the Stampin' Pad Night of Navy. I'm going to try to not get this ink everywhere. I'm just stamping. I'm just inking up the pad is what you're hearing. So hopefully I can get this right. Or I'm going to have to do it again. Perfect. And let's do the punch. Let me get this in the picture. So I punched that out, and I already punched the Night of Navy cardstock. I'm gonna go ahead and adhere this to the card. I don't know where or how I said I wanted to do that, but we're gonna put this down first. You can put that anywhere that you like on your card. I think I want it like that. Do I want it like that? Yeah, I think that looks kind of cute. And then we are going to take out one of the little buttons that I already made the bow. I put a bow on top with some twine, and I'll just cut this. And then we're going to need some glue dots, so take this and put a couple of glue dots on here. We are almost finished, and see, this is a simple, quick, and easy card. You can make a bunch of these in no time. Do I want that right there? If it got stuck, I do. There, use your glue dot. See? Quick and easy Father's Day card. So if you have to make a bunch of them, you can go with a 3x3 card and make that real cute, simple, easy card. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And have a great day.